Hi everyone, welcome back to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. To kick off this holiday season, today's video will show how I transformed gift bags into a beautiful and inexpensive masterpiece. Now, this is one of those projects that starts out with one idea, but changes and additions are made along the way, and it turns out completely different from what I had in mind. Yet, the results are amazing. If you're interested in seeing how it turned out, please keep watching. It's about 35 degrees here today, so you may hear the heat turn off and on. I'll be starting the project using the 16 by 20 canvas, and I picked up this 3-pack from Walmart, and the price was $7.97. I'll be using a variety of gift bags from the Dollar Tree, and they each have a Christmas theme. I'll also be using Mod Podge, and this is the gloss finish. And I'll be using my scissors and paintbrush. The next step is to decide where I want the images to be on the canvas, and this is how I've laid it out so far. So I will go ahead and start cutting some of these images out. I've done rough cuts on each of the 4 bags, so next I will go ahead and do what we call fussy cutting, and that is to cut right around the edge of the images. And this will help to eliminate all the white space on the canvas. I've finished fussy cutting the images and I've placed them on top of the canvas just to give me an idea of what the project will look like. And I came across these leftover gift tags, and I will incorporate those into the project as well. And I've decided to add some blue paint to the top of the canvas. Now I'm taking the handle of my paintbrush and dipping that into the white paint, and I'll make some dots on the canvas to make it look like it's snowing. I let the paint dry overnight, and the weather this morning was not cooperating for me to film, and I am a little under the weather, as you can probably hear. So off camera, I went ahead and I added some detail to the trees, and then I went ahead and Mod Podged some of the cutouts onto the canvas. I've changed my mind about the little truck. This was the one that I intended to put on the canvas, but I remembered about another gift bag that I had from Walmart, and this had a bigger truck, which is more to my liking. So I'm applying the Mod Podge directly to the canvas, because if you apply it to the back of the paper tends to curl. After I finished attaching the cutouts with the Mod Podge, I went in with some more of the gray paint to add some shadows under the tractor, the sled, and the truck. And I also made some streaks to make it look like the truck was actually driving on a road. I'm applying a final layer of the Mod Podge to the canvas, and this will help to seal in the cutouts. And you want to make sure that you're brushing in one direction only, especially if you are using the gloss Mod Podge. Now it is looking a bit cloudy, but it will dry clear. So I'll go ahead and finish this up, and I'll be right back to show you how it turns out. I let the Mod Podge dry overnight, and this morning I attached a ribbon to the back of the canvas panel and secured it with some tape in order that I could hang the canvas on the wall. So friends, wasn't that just beautiful? This project only cost about $10 and it can be tailor-made to suit any taste. Just imagine all the possibilities. I will leave a list of all the supplies that I used in the description box below. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces and click on the notification bell to be alerted when I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and leave me a comment or any questions you have in the comment section below, and share this video with your family and friends. If you've already subscribed to my channel, please know that your support means the world to me. I hope that this video gave you some inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, smile and create your own masterpiece today.